Hello everybody and welcome back to Extra Holiday Games. I'm Extra Holiday, and we are moving through Route 6. Oh, looks like we've just about made it to town. Nice. We are in Stownside, I believe. Okay, neat town, neat town. Is it the fighting gym next? Is that what we're doing? Because if it's the fighting gym next, I just picked up a pretty good Pokemon for that. Just getting here was so satisfying. I can't imagine what seeing the ruins will feel like. Okay. My Pokemon are the ones that train. I just dress the part, that's all. Training on the mountain. What a stoic black belt you are. Hello. Hey, I have tons of good stuff. I'll share some with you. 2 fossilized birds. Okay. Fossil of an ancient Pokemon. One soared through the sky. What it looked like is a mystery. Okay. Ask the digging duo? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and heal my Pokemon. I think he just said that the Carolus that I just talked to will take care, will revive me a fossil? I don't know. Let's see. We'll go back there. Excuse pardon. Just, okay. What do you mean I can't go down the ladder on my bike? This game is silly. Up we go. And okay, will you take my Pokemon now? You've got some fossils there, huh? Will you show them to me, Carolus? Yeah. Which of the fossils do you think stands up to the high standards of Carolus? Okay. Bird and Dino, I suppose, yeah. Okay, restoration time. Let's unravel the mystery of these fossils. Alright, I'll stick them together. Here we go! Objective complete. It seems the restoration was a great success. Yes, I can see it in its eyes. This is a Pokemon that walked the face of Galar in ancient times. Please take and care for this Pokemon, huh? Arctozolt. Okay. The shaking of its freezing upper half is what generates its electricity. It has a hard time walking around. Looks like it. It doesn't look like it has a super graceful body. I think this is a proper name. You know how Pokemon say their own names a lot of the time? I feel like that's what's happening here. Alright. Actually, I'll just take the taxi, actually. It'll be faster that way. Still inside. Alright, well, and we're back. Wow, that was faster than usual. Anyway, actually I want to check out that Arctozolt. Interesting type combo, really. Should be pretty good against... just the name. Should be pretty good against any flying types we encountered. Counter still Thunder Shock Charge. Alright, what are your stats like? Better at attack than special attack. You've got... Okay, alright. Volt Absorb, that's cool. Do I want to switch Thief out for this? Maybe after the gym. Well, this is a fighting type gym. So actually neither one of them would be good. I don't know. I guess I have Chewy to fight flying types. That's pretty solid. Actually, yeah, I don't need an ice type or anyone to cover flying types, really, because I do have Chewy. So actually, I could kind of just put whatever I want in Thief's spot. Like, Sneasel's great and all, but I don't know. Kind of want to use something else. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should use one of these here poison types. Because I know there's a fairy type gym coming up. I do also have Bellboy here. Which would be, although if I use a poison type, then I would have to cover Psychic. Oh, I have a Ghost. So I have Psychic covered. Bellboy, which ability do you have? Heat Proof. Alright. Not quite as good as Levitate, but it's fine. I do want to use this Arctozolt, though. It's kind of hilarious. I don't know. I think the more efficient thing would be to take a poison type, but... Oh, also I have Bug for Psychic. Alright, so if I'm taking a poison type, do I want garlic here, or do I want onion? Oh, nullifies abilities, okay. Interesting. Onion. What do you have? Stench? May cause a flinch? Okay. I don't really need a dark type. So I think I'll take garlic. And frankly, I don't know that I've ever used a Weezing, so yeah, I'll take you. Hold item, bag that. And I want to give you something. I don't know what, but I want to give you something. Theoretically, I guess I could give you another, or get another, Arctozolt, but I don't know if I really want one right now. What are my other items? That's what I'm looking for. What do I want to give you? Quick Claw, sure. I'll give you a Quick Claw. Anyone can use the Quick Claw. Pretty much. Alright. So now we have garlic on the team. Oh, that's items. Alright, let's just go back out here. Alright. So, we have garlic on the team. Nice. Train them up for that fairy gym that's coming up. And that should be good. Ha! Ha! You can't hide things from me. Duskstone. It's mine now. We're using the mural to bring more business to our town. Actually, we've been doing that for a long time now. Every time I see the ruins, I'm enamored of them. Why are they so appealing to me, I wonder? Does he really like Diglett? Maybe? I don't know. Can I go up here? No. Okay. Hello, Maractus. Nice to meet you. Welcome, have a look at our bargain. Never melt ice? Yeah, I'll take it. Thanks for coming, I guess. What? What? Are you not happy that I'm buying your thing? Protector? Oh, okay. That's what you're gonna get. Gotcha. Hey, how about doing an errand for me? If you can bring what I need today, I'll give you a good reward. Pearl? I don't have pearls. My uncle's Pokemon here is slacking off. The Pokemon that we hired for the Poké job is looking sharp, though. Neat. Oh, so many people. I want to wear Bronzong on my head. Okay, I don't know how that safe that is, but hello, Diglett. Can Bronzong really make it rain? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it can learn rain dance. Where is your mouth? It's probably something you should know, yeah. Come on, let's play with Bronzong. I suppose... I don't know if I trust this man with these children. Why not buy some ruined souvenirs? They're quite valuable, you know. You can only get them here. I've already got enough luggage, mate. They do look cool, though. Oh, hey, Hop. Did I heal? I think I healed. Yeah. I like how I ended up going with the whole 4-person party idea. Because Garlic and Alucard are still kind of in training. Holiday! I'm still not too sure what I should do about all the stuff I told you before. About me being weak and dragging down Lee's good name and all, yeah? The only thing I can do is get stronger, right? So I'm gonna go try out all kinds of different things against you and see what works. Alright. Now let's do this. I bet an all-out battle with my true rival will help me get my head on straight. Maybe. We'll see. Probably just gonna lose again, so, you know. Look forward to that. Cramorant. That is... What are you? What are you? After all I'm after is victory, and I'm counting on you to help me grab it. I ain't gonna help you. Will-O-Wisp. Yeah, I mean, I know you're a bird, but like, what? Other than that, what are you? Just gonna go ahead and throw a Hex on you. I really just don't know what to expect from this thing. Or Will-O-Wisp. Did I say Hex earlier? I meant Will-O-Wisp. Let's see if you're normal type. Dive. Okay, you're water type. Good to know. And it gives me a good chance to swap. Alright, so we're fighting a water flying type. I guess Chewy is our best option. Chewy can definitely take a dive. Pretty sure. Dive! Yeah, that was nothing. Alright. It has a fish in its mouth. Okay. Rock Tomb? Kill it? Who wouldn't aim for a super effective hit if they had the chance, right? Yeah. What? Ow! What the hell was that? Just spat a fucking fish at me when it died? What? What is that Pokemon? That's so weird. Silicobra, I don't remember what type you are. I'm gonna hit you with a headbutt. Hey-ya! Cool. Got some health back. Glare. Great. Alright, it's fine. What type would it be that Rock isn't very effective against it? Oh, that's Dig. Okay, well that's fine. I know how to deal with Dig. Is it ground type? It might be ground type. Flowerita? I'm a little scared that it might be poison type, but I don't know. Maybe it's just ground type. No? Ew. Rude. I'll get slowed. And leftovers, of course. Oh, yeah, it's ground type. Looks like monoground, so magical leaf. Cool. Alright. Leftovers again. What do you got next, Hop? Doxel. Alright. I know these things are pretty fragile, so I'm not really scared of it. I don't actually have anything to fight it, I don't think, though. I mean, Clarice will be pretty good, because, you know, ground resists both poison and electricity. Tearful Look. Okay. Okay. Attack, special attack fell. Alright, alright. I'm just gonna Will-O-Wisp you, though. Stop that. It's rude. Lowering people's attack and special attack. Didn't they teach you that? Kids these days. Okay. Now do I want to deal with you? I kind of want to switch because I did the stupid Tearful Looks. Scorbuggy, how do you feel about taking on this thing? Probably fine, right? Yeah, we'll just end the score. You can probably handle it. Acid. Ah, bug resist poison. Who knew? Alright, let's get a flame wheel out there. What? Sha! Alright. And last but not least. Aw, see, maybe I shouldn't have switched into Scorbuggy. I don't know what I can do to try to win now, and I didn't get to read the rest of that thing, so, no. And as I was saying, maybe I shouldn't have switched into Scorbuggy because I knew what his next Pokemon would be. Whoop. That's fine. Just hit him with the Flower Red. Round, whatever. Not a big deal. In fact, it kinda helps me because now you're slower. God, Eldegoss is actually a pretty cool Pokemon. Flower Red is kind of growing on me here. You also have Tearful Look? That's lame. Lame. Just die to some magical leaves, would ya? You ain't gonna win this fight. You know. Tearful Look. Ugh. This is a pain. Alright. One more should do, even after a Tearful Look. It's annoying. It's real annoying. Stop it. Just die. Thank you. Jeez. Alright. Well, Hop, what'd that do for your confidence? My strategy goes right to pot when I've got all these bad thoughts running through my head. Yeah, you know, this mental game's pretty important. I tried switching my team members in and out to max out their potential in every matchup, but we just couldn't get it together somehow. Maybe that's why I'm still so weak. But Lee really is the greatest trainer, and I don't want people to be laughing at him all because his little brother is rubbish. It's not enough. I've got to try harder, and harder, and harder until no one's laughing. I'm off, mate. Off to find the kind of Pokemon that I can really draw the strength out of. Dude, you're fine. Like, yeah, I make fun of you for losing, but you're fine. That child. Gym challengers should battle for the sake of their own Pokemon. Why worry about saving the champion's name? We all know he's unbeatable. Anyway, here's something for letting me watch your battle. I mean, I didn't really let you, you just kinda did. Now, on you go, child. You're headed to the Stone-Side Gym next, no? The gym challenge is about having fun. Oh, should be great then. Off she goes. Yeah, so I guess we'll be having fun next time. But, as for this episode, That's a wrap! We have fun every episode, right guys?